Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy art. We will cover essential steps to build a strong foundation. First, grasp the skeletal system, which is your figure's core. Next, delve into muscle groups, understanding their attachments and how they create dynamic forms. Finally, we will discuss consistent practice and using references to refine your artistic skills. This guide will help you draw the human form with confidence and accuracy. The skeletal system is the blueprint for all human forms. Begin by identifying major bones such as the skull, rib cage, and pelvis. Understand how these bones connect at joints, enabling a full range of motion. Practice drawing the skeleton from multiple angles to internalize its three-dimensional structure. Recognizing these foundational elements, like the 7 cervical vertebrae, will significantly improve your anatomical accuracy in art. Once you have a solid grasp of the skeleton, move on to the muscular system. Study major muscle groups like the biceps, triceps, and quadriceps. Learn their origins and insertions to understand how they attach and create movement. Observe how muscles stretch and contract, for example, the approximately 640 muscles in the human body. Practice drawing these muscles over your skeletal framework to build realistic, dynamic figures. Consistent practice is crucial for mastering anatomy art. Dedicate time to drawing quick sketches, focusing on gesture and capturing movement. Utilize anatomical atlases, books, and three-dimensional models as invaluable references. Analyze master artworks to understand how great artists represented the human form. Regularly review your own work, perhaps spending 30 minutes daily, to identify areas for improvement and continuously refine your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.